Whether I win or I lose or I go, this means a lot for this eye to be on my chest, big brother.
For the fact that he nominated me to be his deputy, I was like, okay. So I was surprised.
It's not like I'm exactly in control of the dice. So basically, you have to roll the 6 before you start, and I'm not in control of that. So I'll say that I'm giving it my best.
But then when it's my turn to play, I always put in so much energy, and then it just never works. And
I wanted to like maintain a single amount of power in my throws. But whenever I'm running, I easily get nervous and get distracted whenever I'm running.
And if you had to choose between the head of house or the veto power, what advantage will you choose?
I think I'll choose the head of house position. Gaining immunity.
I prefer the head of house.
I prayed that I didn't get that veto power. Why? Because one of them I have to replace. And I think it would have been very, very unfortunate that I put one up and take one out and put another random person.
I really wanted the head of house because then I don't have to put anybody. Free conscience.